If you are thinking of buying wireless headphones, you clicked on the correct video. This is a comprehensive review of Quiet Comfort 35 wireless headphones 2 from Bose. In this review, we are going to talk about 5 different categories: design, comfort and fit, Bose mobile app, noise cancellation and sound quality. But before that, let's open it up. Again, this feels good. Now, let's start with design. It is made from plastic, so it feels very light. But although plastic, it feels very strong and definitely can take a beating. So no need to worry about getting them broken easily if you keep them in a bag without any protection. They do come with this hard case, which is good for travel. And it also comes with USB charging cable and audio jack converter. I never used it. I don't know what it is used for, but looks like it has different types of audio jacks. These hinges on housing mean the headphone fold down nicely to save the space. This is their storing configuration. They look very generic and have very few buttons. In total, I can find only 5 buttons and they are very intuitively placed. So 3 buttons are over here, 1 button over here and 1 over here. They feel good to use with a great haptic response. The main upgrade this headphone has is a dedicated button to activate Google Assistants, which will at your behest play music, answer trivia questions and read to you your smartphone notifications. If you are using iPhone, it can work with Siri, but you know Apple, they want you to buy their AirPods. So the process is just a bit tedious, where you have to install Google's Assistant app for iOS. Next, it's comfort and fit. The Quiet Comfort 35-2 certainly lives up to the comfort part of their name. Not too tight, not too loose. It's the perfect grip, I would say. I'm curious if they fall down if I walk or even run. Next, the Bose app, using which you can control this headphone. For that, you have to download and install Bose Connect app in iOS or Android. And it is very simple app with very few options. The main thing to control from here is level of active noise cancellation, which is our next category. Let me quickly connect them. Here you can choose the level of active noise cancellation between high, low and off. Let me play something. Okay, now I'm listening to a song without noise cancellation. So I can hear outside sound as well. Not very loud because this cup itself reduces the outside sound by a lot. But still I can hear it. But now if I turn this noise cancellation to high, whoa, can't hear anything from outside now. Switching on noise cancellation is like walking into a quiet room after being on a busy street. It feels amazing. But when you turn on noise cancellation, you can feel some pressure on your ear. For a short time it's okay, but some people might not feel comfortable with that pressure for a longer time. And finally, let's talk about sound quality. Sound quality of Bose is great. You can feel the bass very clearly. Unfortunately, I can't show you how it sounds because it depends on whatever speaker you are using right now. Even without noise cancellation, the sound quality is very sharp and clear. And with noise cancellation, it is something on whole another level. I don't see sound quality becoming better than this. As you might already know, all Bose headphones are usually more expensive than average headphones, and these are not exception. Currently its price is $300 but sometimes you will able to find a deal like I did, which brought down the price to $200. Finally, to summarize, the excellent noise cancellation keeps everything around you quiet and they are exceptionally comfortable. If you have Android phone, then it is even better as you can use Google Assistants seamlessly with these. Price is bit high if you don't get them on a sale, but still it is worth it. And that's all. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It's free. That's it for today, and I will see you in the next one.